Hello, welcome to my Revit channel called the Revit Guy, where we discuss everything Revit. And for the past 1 year thereabout, we have been doing construction documentation, and now we are on 500 series, and we're almost gradually coming to an end. And so for this series, we're discussing internal elevations, room elevations, or wet areas, as the case may be. It's my 500 series, and I did a call out of this space to get the plan. So your first sheet in the room elevation will be the plan, where you properly furnish it. You set out each furniture and you label them properly. So I'll go over them just quickly because I really want to jump on the elevation itself. So first thing, you want to name your space, put your name, the room number, the room name, the spot levels, and you want to name each of the sanitary ware, so which I have done. So if you trace each of the annotation arrows, you'll see this goes for the wall hung suspended cabinet, and stainless steel wall mounted towel rail, and also name the tiles. This I would change to 12 by 3000, because I just wanted to have that, long fill. Yes, so we can leave the tiles as 12 by 12, and also name the shower glass, the porcelain floor tiles, the wall hung WC, the shower glass, the wall hung soap holder, and wall hung shower, uni drain, linear shower floor drain. So this is a component. I know the name of the company, that's why I put it there, and it's from BM Objects. That's why I download most of my Revit components. Okay, so obviously if it's a professional setting, you would want to really be more comprehensive in your annotation. So for instance, you want to, so there are different kinds of annotations. So you can do like your material ID, which you would have already labeled down, but for this I'm doing descriptive. So you would want to have specify each of the items properly. So for instance, this would be 12 by 3 meters. Let's say you're using a brand like Porcelanosa or Rack or whatever. You put the name there and the particular brand. So you put the brand name and the items name. So for instance, 12 by 3000 Bianco Calizza Porcelanosa wall tiles. And also you can also describe how you want them to apply it. So apply it to gum and apply it to screed or whatever. Do that for the shower glass, put the brand name, because if you leave it to chance, most contractors will just go for a cheaper option, and it's something that you might not like. So also for the RCP, that's the ceiling plan, you want to label as much as you can see. So the ceiling, the shadow gap, let me activate this shit. So this is a detail item by itself. Maybe I'll just do a short on how to create detail items that you can use instead of using components, so that your work is not too heavy. So you label the ceiling, everything that has to do with ceiling plan, set out the ceiling horizontally and vertically, so that they know how they are going to build it and install it. Wall hung shower, 20 mm shadow gap, recess the acrylic ceiling light, 12.5 moisture resistant gypsum ceiling board, and the wall tiles. So now let's go to the room elevation itself. Hang on. I just want to copy this guy. Inside the name of my bathroom. I think my bathroom is 101. I think the space is 102. Okay, so I've already put the elevations on sheets. So how have you guys been? How's everything been? I'm really trying to push this my channel as fast as possible. So there are 4 elevations. I'm not sure I have time, or I don't want the video to be long. I want it to be like under 15 minutes. So let's try and detail this one properly. This one has almost all the sanitary ware, so this is what we should detail. So I went ahead. So this is just the, we have like a mono pitch roof. So this is the element, this is your ceiling, and these are your sanitary ware. So first thing I usually do is that I want to apply the tile material to the space or to the wall. So how I do that is I would use parts. So there are a couple of ways you can do that. Some people even draw feed region on it. I had a colleague that used to draw feed region, or some that even use detail lines. But part is what I would use. So when you click on it, you hover around this. Am I active? Ooh. Why is it not happening? Over along the space. So you hover around the space. Okay, I got it now. So when you click on the pattern and click the wall, you press enter. And I want to divide the part so that I can use it for what I want to use it for. Pick a plane. No, I don't want to pick ground floor. Ugh. Messed it up. Divide the parts. Pick a plane. So I was supposed to. Why is this thing hard for me to get? Yeah, I've gotten it. Sorry. So edit sketch. Just want to draw the area that concerns me, and I'll do that. And I'll okay it. So the next thing you want to do is finish your sketch and give it its own material or its own graphics pattern. So where's it? I do not want the material to be by original, so I'll check this, which was a plaster material, and I would come here and let's go. I created a bathroom tile, which is 1 2 by 1 3. Okay, I think I know what was wrong. I want it to be a surface element, and I think, oh, it's a draft and I want it to be model. Okay, so let's use this one and edit this. Sorry, duplicate first. Always duplicates. That is the name of the game. 1 2 3,000. Yes. I think we're good. That's okay. I have a feeling I didn't change the dimension. Let me go over it. We've not even started. I have 6 more minutes for this video to be under. What did I not do? Let's come here. Yeah. So this is 1 2. And this is 3,000. Oops. 3,000. So, yes. So this is going out the wrong way. The 1 2 is going the wrong way. So let me rotate this. That's why I had to change to what's it called? 90. Okay. So let's see if we can line this wall. This is also like a tile layout drawing. So what again? Let's see if we can take this guy up. I want it to be 3 meters, so we just have one tile. Go from top to bottom, 3 meters. Okay, brilliant. Okay, so when you've done that, the next thing you want to do is obviously dimension the tiles, then dimension the sanitary ware, right? Let's pick the toilet. Let's pick this guy. I think we're good on that. We can also do this. For this element. So you've done that. So next thing is to annotate the space. And let's see. I'll copy most of the annotations from the previous room elevations. For instance, I don't want to type this guy again. I wanted to copy some. Oh yeah, I don't know what I wanted to copy. I think what I'll be doing next time, even for a walk, going forward, Control A, Control C. This is quite slow. TX, short key for text. Control V. Yes, please. Let's take it down like this a little bit. So let's dimension this. Come here. Nope. I meant you. Come here. So what have been happening in your lives? How have you been? And shout out to my 600 follower, whoever you may be. Really stirred me on. I'm not sure. Resistant. Gypsum. Chilling board. Yes, so let's reduce it. So another thing that I like to do for the mirror is I like to draw my own patterns because it's not a lot. Even for the shower glass too, you can just use 65 degrees, 60 degrees, 70, whatever looks good for you. Oops, first of all, I have to make the line gray. Please tell me I have a gray line here. We're almost at 15 minutes. Oh, great line. I knew it. So I'm playing another game for my gamer people. It's called Horizon Zero Dawn. Perpendicular, please. You can see my system is very slow. It's doing like it's possessed. But don't worry. My God is bigger than you. Okay, so we can leave that. So let's dimension. Actually, I will not just dimension, annotate all these things and come back and explain each of them. So this is, let's just say 1150 by 15. I'll confirm. Oh, sorry. Wall hung mirror with LED backlight. Okay. Let's go back. Good. And let me pause the video and I'll come back when I've added all the spaces so the video is not too long. Okay. Okay, so we're back and I've done all the annotations. So yes, the shower, the ceiling, the bidet spray, wall hung, the flush plate, the WC, the vanity, the sink, the faucet, and the mirror. So you can see the annotations, and when you do that and you set out the space and you dimension your sanitary wares, you're pretty much done. But one thing I like to do, I'll come here, graphics options, so leave it hidden, smooth with anti-aliasing, and I'll put this on wide lines. I'll apply. So what that does is that it sort of gives it a thick outline. Yeah, and you can decide to not show that or leave it, and I think that was all for now. So like my video, comment, share, follow, subscribe, engage, and let me change this dimension. Otherwise it should be this is good. And I'll see you on the next. Thank you very much.